In the vast expanse of the skies where technology and human ambition converge, aviation stands as a testament to humanity's ambitions. Yet, in this high-altitude dance, the line between groundbreaking achievement and unforeseen disaster is perilously thin. This narrative unfolds with the tale of a catastrophic collision at Tokyo's Haneda Airport in January 2024, a stark reminder of the fragile equilibrium that governs our conquest of the skies. As the story of a Japan Airlines Airbus A350 and a Japan Coast Guard aircraft tragically intertwines, we are confronted with a vivid illustration of how, in a singular moment, the cutting edge of aviation can clash with the unpredictability of fate. In this incident, we delve into a moment where technological prowess, operational complexity, and human elements peaked into an incident that would leave a mark on the annals of aviation. Here, we explore the events, decisions, and systems that culminated in a convergence no one foresaw. Each aspect, from the advanced engineering of the Airbus A350 to the critical functions of air traffic control, becomes a thread in a larger narrative about the relentless pursuit of safety and efficiency in the skies. Join us as we uncover the details of this fateful day at Haneda Airport, examining the factors that led to this tragedy, the efforts to understand and learn from it, and the ongoing quest to ensure that the marvels of aviation continue to evolve with a relentless commitment to safeguarding human life. This is not just a recounting of an accident. It is an exploration of the complex interplay between human ingenuity, technological advancement, and the risks inherent in pushing the boundaries of what is possible. As dawn broke over Tokyo's Haneda Airport on January 2, 2024, the stage was set for routine aviation operations at one of the world's busiest air transport hubs. This day, however, was destined to be anything but ordinary. The airport buzzed with the usual activity. In this scenario, according to Flight Global, Japan Airlines Flight 516, an Airbus A350, registration JA13XJ, a marvel of modern aviation technology that entered the Japan Airlines fleet in November 2021, was preparing for its descent. The A350, as one of the first jets made of composite and carbon fiber materials representing the pinnacle of aerospace engineering, was equipped with advanced systems designed for safety and efficiency. This enabled the jet to stand up quite well against the initial collision and the resulting fire. The A350 was a symbol of an industry that had continually pushed the boundaries of what is possible in air travel. Simultaneously, a Japanese Coast Guard de Havilland Canada-8 aircraft listed as JA722A and operating since February 2009 was present at the airport. According to Reuters, the Dash 8, known for its reliability and versatility, was on a critical mission, poised to deliver aid in response to a recent earthquake on Japan's west coast. This operation, while routine for the Coast Guard crew, was integral to the emergency response efforts underway. As these two aircraft navigated the airspace and runways of Haneda, the intricate choreography of air traffic control was in full swing. Controllers adeptly managed the complexities of landings, takeoffs, and taxiing aircraft. Yet, despite the rigorous protocols and technological aids at their disposal, a tragic oversight was looming, a momentary lapse that would lead to one of the most devastating incidents in the new year, 2024. On that fateful afternoon, as Japan Airlines Flight 516 began its descent, fate was set into motion. The Airbus A350, on its journey from Sapporo to Tokyo, was a beacon of contemporary aviation, gliding towards Haneda's runway with the grace and precision that characterized modern air travel. Meanwhile, the Japanese Coast Guard's Dash 8 aircraft, loaded with aid supplies, was preparing for its crucial mission. The tragedy unfolded in mere moments. According to Flight Global, the Airbus, moments after touchdown, collided with the Dash 8. The impact was catastrophic, immediately engulfing both aircraft in flames. The serene routine of Haneda Airport was shattered, replaced by a scene of chaos and destruction. The A350 skidded along the runway, leaving a trail of fire and devastation in its wake, while the smaller Coast Guard plane lay wrecked, its mission tragically unfulfilled. In an incredible testament to emergency response and aircraft design, all 379 passengers and crew aboard the A350, according to Reuters and Japan Times, managed to evacuate the burning wreckage, a miraculous escape amidst such calamity. At least 17 people sustained injuries. Firefighters battled the blaze with around 70 fire trucks as flames engulfed the plane. Sadly, the Coast Guard aircraft was not as fortunate. Of the 6 crew members on board, only the captain survived with severe injuries, with the other 5 tragically losing their lives in the line of duty. The deceased members were identified as Nobuyuki Tahara, Yoshiki Ishida, Wataru Tatawaki, Makoto Uno, and Shigeaki Kato. According to Japan Times, passengers on board the Japan Airlines flight recounted the terrifying moments during and after the collision. Many initially didn't realize a collision had occurred until seeing flames near the wing. There were fears of further explosions after evacuating the aircraft. Following the incident, all runways at Haneda Airport were temporarily shut down, causing significant disruptions. Flights were diverted to other airports, impacting a large number of travelers during a busy travel period. This incident, marking the first major accident involving an Airbus A350, posed serious questions about runway safety and air traffic control procedures. As investigators began their meticulous work, the global aviation community watched with held breath, eager to learn and prevent any recurrence of such a tragedy.
Behind me, you can see the burned-out wreckage of the passenger plane.
Open the back evacuation things, and we're the second row from the back. Everyone else was covering their face with their shirts and jumpers and had their head down.
The aftermath of the collision at Haneda Airport triggered an extensive investigation. According to Reuters, spearheaded by the Japan Transport Safety Board, JTSB, with the involvement of international agencies from France, where the airplane was built, and Britain, where its 2 Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines were manufactured. The investigation aimed to unravel the complex web of factors that led to this tragic event. Key focal points of the inquiry included the analysis of air traffic control communications and the examination of the aircraft's advanced systems. The A350's flight data and cockpit voice recorders were sought to provide critical insights into the moments leading up to the collision. Investigators also examined the role of airport operations, particularly the decisions that led to the simultaneous use of the runway for both aircraft. Early findings, according to Flight Global, indicated that the A350 had been cleared to land, while the Coast Guard plane was not authorized for takeoff. This discrepancy raised questions about the coordination and communication between air traffic control and the flight crews. The probe also considered the potential role of human error, technological limitations, and systemic procedural issues. Could have the Coast Guard misheard the air traffic controller? As the investigation progressed, it brought to light the inherent challenges in managing complex dynamic environments like Haneda Airport. The incident served as a stark reminder of the importance of continual vigilance, rigorous adherence to protocols, and the need for ongoing improvements in aviation safety measures. The Haneda Airport collision had a profound impact on the aviation industry, sparking a global conversation about runway safety and air traffic management. In the wake of the incident, airlines, regulatory bodies, and airports worldwide scrutinized their operational procedures, seeking ways to enhance safety and prevent similar occurrences. The aviation community's response was multifaceted. Regulatory agencies reviewed and tightened protocols, particularly regarding runway usage and communication channels between pilots and air traffic controllers. Airlines reassessed their training programs, emphasizing situational awareness and response strategies in emergency scenarios. Moreover, the incident prompted a re-evaluation of technological aids in aviation. Discussions centered on the development and implementation of advanced systems, like Airbus's Surf-A technology in collaboration with Honeywell, designed to prevent runway collisions by alerting pilots to potential hazards. As the industry grappled with the incident's implications, there was a collective commitment to learning from this tragedy. The goal was clear: to ensure that the marvels of aviation continue to evolve, not just in technical sophistication, but also in the unwavering pursuit of safety. The collision at Haneda Airport serves as a reminder of the complexities and inherent risks of modern aviation. It underscores a fundamental truth in the realm of air travel: The journey towards absolute safety is perpetual, marked by continuous learning and adaptation. Keep in mind that this is a breaking news story at the time of the making of this video, meaning that more information will be revealed as the days pass. Shedding light on details that could change the whole narrative, we will have to wait for the final investigation report to put proper closure on this story. This incident, while tragic, becomes a catalyst for introspection and improvement across the global aviation landscape. It reminds us that in the intricate dance of human endeavor and technological prowess, every step, every decision counts. The legacy of this event is not defined by the tragedy alone, but by the collective resolve of the aviation community to strive for a future where such incidents are mere echoes of a bygone era. In this relentless pursuit of safety, we honor the memories of those lost and reaffirm our commitment to an unwavering vigilance in the skies. The story of the Haneda airport collision is a poignant chapter in aviation's ongoing narrative, a narrative that continues to evolve with a steadfast focus on safeguarding the precious lives entrusted to it.